Hello, my name is Alejandra Dan and welcome to my physics assignment for SGD213. And this project is all about seeing how the physics in Unity work, seeing about gravity, what happens when you make some crates bigger, smaller, moving things around, but also getting to know how with scripts you can basically manage and command things to happen around here. So the first thing I did when I opened the project was change the masses on the crates and the planks, add some more. I added something to make it look like this house shape because I thought it was cute. And also made my cannon a little bigger. I was thinking about making it huge because that would be fun, but then I was like, nah. So that's the first thing. Then I went to Canon to work on my script. Here's my physics script. You can see it. You go to the carpet scripts, and then here is, I call it physics CN because of Canon. And then let's open it to see how it looks. So this is the script. Public class file. All the public stuff is that you can actually see in the Unity. So the first thing we have to check, well, first thing you have to check, what I have a lot of trouble with was make sure everything is up to date. Then in edit, go to preferences and make sure that the script editor, like its preference, its Visual Studio Community and the one that you're using, because mine wouldn't load because of that. So spend a lot of time trying to figure out what in my code was wrong, and nothing was wrong. So then you go to public rigid body. You add these so you can actually have them in Unity. Cannonball, shoot, fire, the audio clip. Those are this over here that you actually have to go to prefabs and just drag them there. It's pretty simple. And this is just the dimensions of what the background square is and what will happen. And then you just update it and you update the cannonballs because you don't want it to go all the way up to the limit or all the way down to the limit on the other side. So with the fixed update, what it does, it changes, like, let's say it increases the powers one by one, like here, or it decreases one by one, and I increase it to 60 because I was scared to increase it too much, and I didn't decrease it because I thought it was fine. Then you set up get key down. What are you going to hit to make that occur? What are you going to do to spawn the cannonballs? And then you just show the vector in which the cannonballs are going to appear, and also that little spark thing. It's over here, the shoot. It's what it's called. And I had to change these. It was just try and error. It wasn't anything too fancy. But yes, and that's the Canon script. That looks fine. Then we have another script for the Cavoli. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's a self-destruct script. It's just so it doesn't take up memory and space. It's a pretty simple script. Let's check it out. It's in my scripts. Self-destruct. Yes, and it's here. You see, this just dead game object. No, and it just has a timer. So after a certain time, it just will disappear. And then in the background, I added the cleanup script, basically to make them crates and some other stuff disappear after they are heated or after they fall in this case, and that kind of stuff. So let's wait. Did it open? Yeah, there it is. And Just say bulk clone, game object wood, and when it hits it, just destroy them. So that's basically it. I change the power, the sizes of the stuff, the masses, and have to modify the vector to make it a little more accurate. I don't know how nice it looks. But look, here you can see the power can go up to 60. It can go down to 20. Let's check on 60. And see, it goes very far. I don't know if you can hear it. I can hear it very loud. And well, you can decrease it to 45. And let's try to knock something down. Yeah. No. I'm really trying to make those crates fall. To see, to make them disappear. Well, you see, some of them are disappearing. Oh, there they fall. Let's decrease it everything. Oh, you see how slow it goes. Yeah, I could basically be playing here all day. So, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if the sound was too loud. That's all. Thank you.